option Ben mentioned before the video starts, make sure to go down top link of the description and cop collection 1 right here. Make sure to go cop it. Here are the pieces. So today's video is Supreme week 6 pickups. So I already opened the bag that it came in. Week 6 pickup. I only got one thing. Let's take a look at what I got first, and then we will take a look at the stickers after. But let's show you a peek inside the bag. So let's take a look at the shirt I got. I got one t-shirt. This shirt I really wanted for personal. This t-shirt I really wanted for personal. You can see how much it goes for. I think I'm gonna sell it. I'll sell it for $80 ship. So if you want it, here's a tee. I'm gonna open it just for the video, but here it is. I got it in my size, but I'm probably not gonna keep it. Probably sell it for $80. So that's why I'm gonna do this review now and not later, because it's probably gonna be sold by today. Here it is, Supreme XL. You can see the tag, the watermark, authentic, you know. Here it is. This is Supreme Diamond Tee. It has a big S with Supreme on it. I really like it. Retail on this was $36. I'm making this video on Thursday, which is Supreme drop, so I gotta hurry up. But no, I'm making this video on Thursday because I think this t-shirt's gonna sell either today, which is Thursday, the day I film this, or Friday. So when this video goes up, I probably don't have this t-shirt anymore, so that's why I had to do the video real quick. But yeah, it's very nice quality. This is actually my first Supreme shirt from this season, with the change up from the American Apparel tees. So this is actually a very nice quality tee, very thick, high quality. Same thing with the other one I got, the CDG box logo tee. I really like that, but you know, the best quality is, of course, collection 1. Link in the top of the description below. And here it is. If you want this tee, you know, I'll definitely sell it for $80 if it's still available. I will leave it in the link in the description if it's still available under the collection 1, so make sure you go check that out. But I will leave it in the description if this is still available or not. I don't think it's gonna be available anymore. So here's a tee, very nice quality for $36. I love the diamond tee. I wanted to get the tee. I didn't like the TV tee, but I definitely would have got it for resale because that thing's going for like $130. So I'm definitely selling this tee. So now to the fan favorite, the stickers. I got 3 stickers. I didn't get a sticker pack. I just got 3 stickers. Here are the stickers I got. Let's start with the boring old box logo, the most boring sticker, box logo sticker. But if it's slapped on a shirt, you know, it's the most hyped. You got the Nan Golden Supreme Lab right here. And then like the fan favorite is the TVT. And then second would be the Diamond Tee. Here's a Supreme TVT right here. Sticker that I did not get is sticker of the shirt I bought. I should have got the diamond sticker, but I did not get the diamond sticker. It's all fine, you know. My Supreme sticker collection is growing by the day. I'm gonna be doing a Supreme sticker collection because my sticker collection is out of control right now, you know. And this is only like the 6th week into the drop, so you know, I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like at the end of the summer collection. But here it is. What do you think about week 6? Let me know down below. And I hope you liked the video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe, and remember, always create.